Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to record your screen and webcam at the same time on Loom. Here are the steps to record your screen and webcam at the same time on Loom. The first thing to do is to launch the Loom desktop app on your computer, which of course I have done right here. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials, email and password inclusive, or using any of the account options that you used, and just log in. And if you don't have a Loom account, you can sign up before continuing by following the step-by-step processes that will be made available to you. Now, in the Loom app interface, which we have in here, you'll see those options, like you see these recording options: full screen, you have no camera, and you have no microphone. So for you to start recording your screen and webcam at the same time, head over to full screen and choose any of those options. So because you want to record your screen, you can choose if you want to record your full screen, that's the entire screen, or you want to record a specific window. If you click on specific window, these are the windows that are open, either these or these. So just go ahead and select any of the windows. And if you're using custom size, so you can just click on that custom size and custom size recording. So drag to select an area or click to record your full screen if you want to, but I'm just going to click on cancel because I don't want that. Then I'm going to click on this button again and head over to full screen. So from here, you can choose if you want camera only or if you want screenshot. Now, in this sense, because you want to record your screen and webcam at the same time, you can choose full screen or specific window. I want to record the entire screen, so I'm just going to choose this. Then once you're done choosing that, you have to head over to camera and toggle these on. So click on the no camera option, which is here. Now it says no camera or HP True Vision. You have to select your camera from here, or OBS virtual camera. So let's say I want to use my desktop camera, which is HP True Vision HD. So I'm just going to click that on and my camera is going to be turned on. So if you see the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see that my camera has been turned on and my face is now open to the world. So from there, if you want to add your voice, if you want, so that's it. If you want your voice to be recorded, so go ahead and click on no microphone and turn that on. Okay, so or just click on that and choose your microphone, either default mic and or stereo. Just choose your microphone, but I don't want a microphone because I don't want the sound to be clashing. I'm currently teaching you how to get this done right. So once you've chosen any of the settings, the next thing for you to do is to click on the start recording button, which is just right here. So click on start recording. And once you click on start recording, you'll see, okay, camera is muted. I just want to continue. I don't want to unmute. So I'm just going to click on continue. But if you want to unmute, just click on unmute. Now, once you click on that, you will see that it will start recording. Yeah, so I'm already recording. My camera is here, my webcam is here, and I'm on my screen. So maybe I'm just going to click on file transfer.io and play with this. But once you're done, go ahead and click on the stop button that is here. Once you click on that stop button, you will see that it's going to take you to the file editor or the video editor on Loom, where you can now manage your video effectively. So this is it. This is the video that we created. So you can head over to this top where you can now change the name of the video, and head over here to edit, check the activity, transcript, views, and settings. So this pretty much how to record the webcam, your screen and webcam at the same time on Loom. So we can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.